So you hear us talk about MitoGrow on the show all the time. Todd, is this salvageable with MitoGrow?
Definitely. We've actually been to garden centers, other garden centers, and pulled plants worse than this out of the trash and brought them back from the dead.
Yes.
You can see them on our website. So we can fix this.
Hence the name. It's not dead yet. There is hope. So let's kind of go into, like, how do you use this product?
Sure. So let me we just open the bag, and
so it's a real fine powder, a wettable powder.
it's a water soluble. We like to talk about it. So that's it in there. There's actually a lot of sugar in there. The sugars feed the microbes, and that's one of the things that's unique about our product.
And so when you mix it with water, the little microbes kind of come back to life.
Yes.
They're in a dormant state when they're dry.
So you can see, so you have a half gallon there. We use so basically we're gonna fill up a half a scoop here. You can see the black specks is the seaweed.
Mm-hmm.
When you put it in, it'll turn a little brownish.
So it's 1 scoop in a gallon, and
Yep.
we're dealing with
we're gonna do
half
a
a gallon.
little small one. We're gonna put 2 scoops in this one.
because it's
'cause
2
it's
gallons.
2 gallons. There we go, and then one more. And then you're just gonna stir it around. You can put it in before you put water, or you can do it this way. You just get it stirred in there. Some agitation.
I always mix it up and let it set for a few minutes before I pour it on. It helps it kind of break down a little bit more.
Let's see here.
That one's a little bit better right there. There we go.
I wonder why it's.
You
There
can see
we
it
go.
mixing in there. And it changes the water color just slightly
tad
brown because
brown,
of that
right?
kelp that's in there. Now,
It's-
how often would you use MitoGrow?
So you can use it as often as you like,
Mm-hmm.
because it's not going to ever harm anything. For houseplants, I can say we like to do it maybe every other watering.
Okay.
Outdoor shrubs and trees, every couple weeks, every month.
Interior can be a very hostile
Yeah,
environment
it's
on your plants.
hot and
So
cold.
using something like this will take the stress off your plants. You just water it in. Now, how long before somebody would see something happening?
Sure.
A week, 2 weeks, usually?
Depending on the stress of the plant and the size,
Right.
you could see it. I've seen blooms like these blooms here. We'd see those in like 4 days. Get bigger, better blooms.
Okay. Now, you would use this in your yard when you're planting flowers in conjunction with your fertilizer.
For sure.
Because it's not a fertilizer, it is a root stimulator biostimulant.
Yes.
Okay, just so everybody knows.
And again, a lot of fertilizers are wasted. If they can't uptake into that tree or shrub or plant, you're not getting anything out of them. And this is going to enhance it.
Right. So, you want that insurance policy? Get your MitoGrow. Go to mitogrow.com.